If you're still scrubbing hours of talking head footage, manual trimming, and chopping up pauses frame by frame, stop. You're just wasting your productivity. Premiere Pro gives a game-changer feature called text-based editing, and it's been here for quite some time, but many editors don't actually know this. So today I'm going to show you how you can edit a full footage using the new feature and how you can actually take advantage of it in your daily workflow. Let's find out.
Step 1 is setting up your project to do the heavy lifting while you do something in the background. When you import your raw clips into Premiere, don't just drop them into the timeline yet. You can go into the media pool, right-click, and click on Transcribe Clips. This will enable you to automatically transcribe the clips using local AI from Premiere while you do something else in the background as the process runs. Even better, you can go into Premiere Preferences and under Media Analysis and Transcription, you can go and enable Auto Transcribe Clips. This will enable Premiere to automatically process every piece of your audio that you import in the background using local AI. Step 2 is where the magic really happens. Open your clip in Source Monitor and you'll see the full interactive transcript on your screen. You don't even need to touch the timeline yet. Read through the text and you can notice bad takes or repetitive sentences. Simply highlight the text inside the window and hit delete. The corresponding audio and video inside the timeline will instantly ripple delete. With step 3, what about all those
breaths that you take when recording?
Fixing those manually can take forever to do. Instead, you can look at the top of your text panel and click on the filter icon or something that looks like a funnel. Click on pauses and Premiere will automatically highlight every single moment of dead air, silences, or pauses in your video. You can set a custom threshold, then hit delete all or choose ripple delete, which will automatically delete everything in the clips before, and your entire rough cut is instantly tightened up in 3 seconds flat. But actually, there's another step for you that I think is really important when you're working with multiple audio. Check it out.
Now, if you have a footage with multiple people speaking, there's actually a way for you to know which speaker is speaking. For example, here I have the transcript and you see that I have labels for speaker 1 only because I'm the only one speaking in the video. However, if I go back into the media pool, click on footage, then click retranscribe, you see that there is an option for separate speakers or don't separate speakers in case you actually want just one single speaker talking throughout the video, which still saves you time. I know, right? Text-based editing is really good. I mean, it's not just a gimmick. The feature itself holds many editors at all because it gives you full control of the video, like normal actions like cutting, putting in footages, but in an elegant way. You don't really need to listen to the whole footage because it auto-transcribes for you while you get your coffee, while you get your drink. You can auto-transcribe and later you can just edit with ease. Although the feature is sometimes unreliable, it's still one of the most game-changing features available for Premiere Pro and the video editor industry. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have thoughts about the feature itself or how it actually helps you save time editing, make sure to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.